Hello student, today we learn our lesson number 5, that is Windows 7 accessories. Now what do you mean by accessories? Accessories are special programs that help us to do many tasks such as word processing, painting and etc. There are many programs regarding useful and interesting accessories, that is Notepad, WordPad, snipping tool, calculator, etc. In Windows 7, how to open accessories? You can just click on start button, then all programs and then click accessories. A drop down list of menu screen appear. Choose the option that you want to use. Now next topic is Notepad. Notepad is a basic text editor that you can use to create simple document. You can easily view or edit the text in files. Now how to open Notepad? You can in Windows 10 you can just type here Notepad and click. So this is our Notepad screen. Now this is our title bar and this is our menu, and this is our minimize button, maximize button and close button. Now title bar. Title bar is present at the top of the window. It displays the name of the document. It contains three buttons like minimize, maximize and close button. Now menu bar. Menu bar consists of different menus such as file, edit, format, view and help. Each menu has a lot of options, like in file menu there is new window, open, save, save as, page setup, print and exit. In edit menu, undo, cut, copy, paste, delete. In format, WordPad and font. Now how to create new file? Select file option, or else you can say file menu. Now select new, or else you can press Ctrl plus N from keyboard. So whenever you can click on new, the new window will be open. Now how to save a file? Select file menu and you can just click on save. So one window can be open. Now I am save a file in my folder like Summit School here. Suppose I am giving name like first.txt. txt is the extension of Notepad and click on save. So our file will be saved. You can see here my file name is first. Now suppose I am writing some text. I am from Surat and save. Now I just close this file and again I am opening Notepad. Now I want to open my save file, so select file and click on open, or else you can press Ctrl plus O. Open. Now you can see here our file will be here. So just you can click on that file and open. So our file will be open in our window. Now how to exit from Notepad? Just click on file and click on exit, or else you can press close button also. Now how to print a file? Just click on file menu and print, or else you can press Ctrl plus P. So our window will be open. Now just you can click on print, so your file will be print from printer. Now our next menu is edit menu. Edit menu contains the option like cut, copy, paste, delete, etc. To copy the text, first of all you can select your text. Suppose I want to copy this text, so I am selecting this text like this and click on edit menu, and you can see here copy option will be visible now. you can see right now our copy option will be disabled. So you can just select the text, whatever text will be copied. So you can click on edit menu and click on copy. So our text will be copied. Now move the cursor to the place where you want to copy the text. Suppose I want to paste here, so my cursor is here and I want to just go into the edit menu, and you can see here paste option will be now visible, or else you can press Ctrl+V, just click on paste. So our selected text is copy as disable at new location. Now next topic is how to move the text. First of all, you can select the text, click on edit menu. Now click on cut, or else you can press Ctrl+X. Now you can see here our text will be cut. Now suppose I want to paste here, so my cursor is here and go into the edit menu and click on paste. So you can see here our text will be here. Now how to delete the text? Suppose I want to delete this text, just select this text and edit menu, and you can just click on delete. So you can see here our text will be deleted. Now how to undo a mistake? So you can just click on edit and you can see here undo option, or else you can press Ctrl+Z. Now what do you mean by undo? Undo means to cancel the last command executed. Now how to show the time and date? Now just click on edit menu. You can see here last option is time and date. So just click on time and date. So current time and date will be here. Now how to change the font style and size? Just click on format menu, click on font. So the font window will be appear on the screen. Display different menu for variety of font types, font style and font size. Select the font style. Now suppose I am selecting this style and I want to select 24 size and just click on OK. So you can see here my font style will be changed. Now suppose I want to change font style. Now suppose I want to select Arial. So click on Arial. Now suppose I want to select size 28 and OK. So you can see our font style will be changed. Now next is I want to show status bar in Notepad. So you can just click on view menu and you can see here status bar option will be here. Just click on status bar. So in down of the screen you can see here our status bar will be visible right now. Now again I want to disable this status bar. Just click on view menu and status bar. So you can see here our status bar will be disabled right now. Now in next video we can see WordPad. Thank you for watching this video.